Capacity. The interior fits a 9 inches pizza, 4 slices of bread, or a variety of other snacks and meals. EvenToast Technology. The toaster oven interior is specially designed for even toasting of up to 4 slices of bread at a time. 4 cooking functions. Choose from convection, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. 30-minute timer. The 30-minute cooking timer features a stay-on function for longer baking tasks, and a precise toast timer with shade options. Included bake pan and broil rack. The included bake pan and broil rack fit perfectly in the toaster oven. Included components: 4-slice toaster oven plus baking pan. Large enough for a 9 inches pizza or 4 slices of bread, the BLACK+DECKER 4-slice toaster oven complements any kitchen countertop. This compact, versatile toaster oven bakes, broils, toasts, and keeps food warm, with a top temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a baking and broiler pan that fits perfectly into the small toaster oven interior. Plus, our exclusive EvenToast technology optimizes heat distribution for more consistent toasting. Top reviews from the United States. Great little toaster oven. I finally had to replace my other toaster oven after many years of loyal service. This one has some of the same features, but I think is one model lower than my previous one as it's missing a couple of features. It is a nice looking one, works great and it serves my purposes, the price was right, so win-win.